An overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 41 from verse 50 up to verse 54. Joseph and his wife had two sons before the famine began. Their first son was named Manasseh, which means God has let me forget all that my troubles and my family back home. His second son was named Ephraim, which means God has made me a success in the land where I suffered. Egypt's 7 year of plenty came to an end, and the 7 years of famine began, just as Joseph had said. There was not enough food in other countries, but all over Egypt there was plenty. So in this passage, we can read here the power of preparation. Yes, Joseph was aware that the 7 year prosperity will come, and so with the 7 year of famine. Hence, they were prepared. Hence, the nation of Egypt survived during those 7 years of famine. Why? Because of the preparation. That was led by Joseph. So, preparation is a necessity for us to survive.